Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Palette Life. As you all know, I have learned painting by myself, experimenting so many things, which helped me to learn the craft in depth. When I started painting, search engines were not that popular. That time, I thought that painting hair was the simplest subject where you just have to apply black color. But later I realized hair is the most complicated subject in a painting. So thought of sharing the tips and tricks of painting hair. So today we'll see an oil painting demo of how to paint realistic hair. If you are new to this channel, my name is sumababu. I make videos on art, craft and gardening related topics. Okay, let's get started. I'm using Artist brand of oil paints today. You can also try the same method with acrylic colors also. I'm ready with my materials. First of all, I'm tinting my canvas with diluted burnt sienna. Then sketch your reference using minimal guidelines. After that, I look for shapes to fill it with different tonal variations of hair color. In the initial stage, I use comparatively large bristle brush. I don't want to lose myself in the details at this stage, so I keep everything very simple for the moment. You should not focus on individual hair strands during this stage. And make sure try to brush the hair in the direction it would flow. Just squint your eyes to see the basic shapes you could see and paint them using 3 main tonal variations. After fixing this stage, I waited some hours to dry the paint. This is my second day. Now we have to work on the details. And I am using liner brush for the details. Hope this video is useful. If in case you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any doubts or suggestions, mention in the comment section. Okay guys, take care. See you soon with another interesting video. Bye and happy painting.